In this video I'm going to tell you the website which offers thousands of courses, Udemy courses and other courses for free. So here's the website. I'm going typing this, and this is a website is answerq.com. So you can see that they have courses for every platform, and they are all legal. You can see that these are the links for the Udemy courses, and they have the coupons applied. Every day they update the list of these courses, so I will suggest you go to this website regularly. And here see that I have upon the link, and yes, here you go, I have enrolled the course because it is totally free, and you can see, and I am enrolled now. Is this courses included in my list? Similarly, you can browse other platforms courses, for example Pluralsight, Udacity and other platforms, LinkedIn courses. They have the tons of courses free for you. So it's the best platform for learning. You can enroll regularly. They update the list, and they're doing very hard work. Support them. And so you can see that the LinkedIn courses, Udacity courses, Pluralsight courses, and much more, all are free of cost. So subscribe to the channel and hope for regular videos.